Hello guys, this is Only. So in this video, let's see how to crop circle your photos. That is, this crop circle is not a default available in this Photoshop. So let's see this trick to crop circle your photos or subject. So first, you need to unlock your background. Then this is a sample picture I have taken to show you the effect. So click on this Eclipse marquee tool and then hold down your shift key so that it will make on a perfect circle. Now to move the circle around in this picture, hold down your space bar so that it moves in a XY direction, so you no need to redraw again and again. So perfectly match this. Yes, it's matching now. So now I have selected the subject. Now click on select and inverse the select. Now you can see that other portions apart from the subject is selected. So now click on the delete button. It will delete all the unwanted pixels that you have selected. And now click on Ctrl D to deselect all the things, and you can move this around your canvas. So that's it. In this way you can crop circle anything you need. Thanks for watching.